How to remove parental controls on a Google account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove parental controls on a Google account. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on Settings from the menu. Here, tap on Family and then select Parental Controls. If prompted, create or enter the content pin that was set for parental controls. After that, go back and open the Settings app on your phone. Now tap on Apps and Notifications. Then tap on Default Apps, and here tap on More Defaults if available. Now go back and search for the Google Play Store in the app list and tap on it. Then tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on both Clear Cache and Clear Storage to reset the app. This will help disable or remove the parental control settings tied to the Google Play Store. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.